Nothing's happening. I knew it. I fucking knew it. It's all bullshit. Grace? So what should we do about her?
I know it is too late, but I will not fail you again. The girl still dies! What the fuck?
To play a game. It's time for hide and seek. Run, run, run. Time to run and hide.
Oh, fuck.
And now I'm going to...
I think you were right.
Mr. LaBelle, I take it back. I want to go home.
I am going to find you. Inside the shadows. All you girls and boys.
No! I did everything right! I played by the rules! And I'm in control!
No, don't leave. Don't leave me, honey. Honey, I'm really sorry. I don't want to die.
Neither did I, you selfish fuck.
No, I'm not like them. I'm not like them. I'm not like them. No, you made me better, honey. And he's not taking me, right? I get a do-over, sweetie. And that's because of you. Yeah? Sweetie? Grace, I'm really scared.
Don't fucking touch me.
No, okay.
No, Lex.
Yeah.
I want a divorce. Fuck.